So I let AI direct the comedic short film I wrote. And after watching it, you tell me, is it good or is it slop? And be honest. Then I'll let you know what I think, how I made it, and where I think we are and where we're going with all of this AI stuff. Enjoy.
License and registration, please.
But I'm not even driving though.
I didn't ask if you were driving. I asked for your license and registration. Now.
Registration for what exactly? Because unless you've started issuing paperwork for standing around in public, I'm pretty sure I'm in compliance with the sidewalk.
Step out of the vehicle and put your hands above your head.
What vehicle?
Are you resisting arrest? I need backup. I'm on 51st and Broadway. We have a male suspect about 50 years old refusing to hand over his license and registration.
Copy that. Requesting vehicle description and plate number.
Stay right here. Sir, step out of the vehicle.
I need someone, anyone, to explain what vehicle you're all talking about.
That's it. I'm placing him under arrest.
Hey, let's everybody take a breath, okay? What's your name, buddy?
Dave.
Dave. Great name. Dave, listen. Nobody wants this to escalate. I'm on your side here. I really am.
That's it. He's under arrest.
Hey! My partner's having a rough day. Don't mind him. Help me help you. Dave, just open the door and get out.
Which door?
Driver's side, Dave. Let's not make this weird. Just step out of the car and we can all move on with our day.
There is no car.
Dave, between you and me, I believe you. I do. But right now, whether there's a car or not, the best thing you can do is step out of it.
Can you believe this? You see what's happening here, right? There's no car. Tell them there's no car.
Sir, I just step out of the vehicle.
Fine.
See? That's all we needed.
I was just standing here.
Drive safe.
So before I give you my verdict, drop a comment and let me know what you think. What do I think? I'm actually pretty happy with how Good Cop, Bad Cop turned out. I mean, especially considering that the bulk of the story was in the dialogue, which is very hard to get it to look and sound natural. But the surprising part is that it probably took me less than 24 hours to make, script and everything. Cost-wise, I spent about $300 worth of AI credits. Had I planned it out better, I could have pulled it off for closer to 75. And that leads me to the interesting part, how I actually made it. The main reason I was able to make this film so quickly is because I used a new tool called Director. Honestly, the best way I could describe it is like vibe directing. You're not sitting there writing giant prompts, trying to describe every tiny detail. It's more like a conversation. You just tell it the vision you're going for, and it bounces back and forth some ideas. Then you respond like a director on set. Change this camera angle, make this scene shorter, redo this line, but make it more intense, and then it updates it. You just keep casually talking back and forth until it looks the way you envisioned. And just as of last week, most of the AI models were limited to 15-second clips. But now Director can generate a continuous 5-minute scene, which makes short films like this actually possible. I'll leave a link in the description below where you can get 15% off if you want to check it out for yourself. Big shout out to OpenArt AI for sponsoring this video. And if you have any questions about my process, feel free to leave them below. Now, I don't think that Good Cop, Bad Cop is going to be winning any awards or anything like that. But keep in mind, this was only my second attempt at AI filmmaking. Matter of fact, my first experience was just a few weeks ago, where I got to star in my very first fight scene, which came out surprisingly good. So make sure to check out this video next if you want to see how I made it. I appreciate you watching to the end, and I'll see you in the next one. It's Fulan Creative signing out. Peace.